If you want to monetize your YouTube channel and start earning money from YouTube, then you need to watch this video, because after watching this video, you will know about the monetization policies and the monetization process. As we already know that we need 1000 subscribers to be able to monetize our YouTube channel. But in recent time, we can also monetize our YouTube channel with 500 subscribers only. I don't know if you already know about this 500 subscriber monetization policy or not, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also monetize your YouTube channel with 500 subscribers only. So without wasting time, let's move into our video. Let's go. Okay guys, I will show you the monetization policy of the 500 subscribers. I will show this in the YT Studio app and you can see the mobile screen here. So after opening the YT Studio app, you can see here lots of options in the bottom of the mobile screen like dashboard, content, analytic, community and earn. So click on the earn option. So from here you can see become a YouTube partner. YouTube partner means you are monetized and you can earn money from YouTube. So you can see here earn income while connecting with your fans and gain access to support forum and creator tools. So this is the exact contract by which you will be able to earn money. But for this you need to fulfill some criteria. The first criteria is 500 subscribers. So you will be only eligible for this earning after you have 500 subscribers on your YouTube channel. That is the first criteria. And second criteria is you need to upload at least 3 videos in the last 90 days. So after that, if you have 500 subscribers and if you have 3 videos upload, now you need to complete one of these following. So you can see here there is a milestone of 3000 watch time hours and 3 million shorts views in the last 90 days. This means if you will be able to gain 3000 watch time hours in the last 365 days, then you will be monetized. And another option is if you will get 3 million views on your short in the last 90 days, then you will also be able to get monetized. So this is far more easier than 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time hours, because you can see here 3 million shorts views is the most easiest way. And if you will be able to get a 3 million views in your only one shot by luck, then only one shorts video can monetize your YouTube channel. Imagine you start uploading shorts video for 1 week and one of your shorts video get viral by luck and it get 3 million views. Now your YouTube channel is monetized and you will start earning money from YouTube. So this is how you can easily monetize your YouTube channel with 500 subscribers and 3 million shorts views. But there is a small twist. What is that twist is this YouTube partner program is only available in some of the eligible country as well. So you need to check that if your country is eligible for this YouTube policy or not. If not, then you can use another idea, and that idea is same that I have already used. So our idea will start from Google app. Open the Google app and you need to search something here. So what you need to search in the Google is 500 subscriber monetization policy eligible country list. After you search this, you will see here a list of the country in which this policy is available. So you can simply see that in these all country, this YouTube monetization policy is available. So you need to find a country from the list in which you have some relatives or very close friend or your family members. If you have a family member or friend in the list of this country, then you can ask them for a Gmail account. Ask them to make a Gmail account and send the password and the username to you. And after you log in, then your ID will also become an international ID and the same policy will be eligible in your ID as well. So this is how you will be also able to take part in this YouTube partner program if your country is not eligible in the 500 subscriber monetization policy. So after making a brand new YouTube channel, then you just need to start uploading shorts video in that channel. And if you upload the shorts video regularly and correctly, then only one shorts video can also make your YouTube channel monetize. Getting 500 subscribers on your YouTube channel is the hardest thing. But after you complete the 500 subscribers on your YouTube channel, the reach of your video and the reach of your channel will grow larger. Then you will start getting more amount of subscribers on your YouTube channel in short period of time. And soon you will also cross the 1000 subscribers without even noticing. So that's it. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family who are staying in the abroad.